Hey, what's up guys? Tyler here with Secure Team. Well, if you've been following us for the past week, we have uploaded and received some amazing UFO footage, specifically that of these two orbs that you're seeing in this video here that we published a few days ago. We were sent in 3 different videos from across the United States, one in California, one in Ohio, and one from Washington, showing these 2 grayish objects sitting in the sky, maneuvering. And these were all captured relatively within the same time frame. 2 were captured in the same week, and the last was captured at the end of 2015. Now today we want to show you some new footage that was sent in to us of these disc-shaped craft. The shape of the craft, the saucer shape, that first propelled the question of alien contact into the mainstream. And as you're seeing in this first image here of one of these saucers, this was captured in Rockford, Illinois, and the source has stated that this was not his first encounter, but the 6th with this object. And this object was hovering in the sky outside of the source's window. He took a picture, and at the distance, he wasn't sure what it was, so he took it using his Canon PowerShot 300, and when he later went to check the image, he zoomed in, and his suspicions were confirmed when he saw this same saucer-shaped object sitting still up in the sky above the tree lines, as you can see, before slowly vanishing out of sight. Then we got another piece of footage of another one of these discs that was captured in Fresno, California, in the Central Valley on March 28th, right around sundown, of this very strange saucer-shaped craft moving very mysteriously through the sky. It almost reminds me of the anti-gravity craft that can stop, move forward, move backward, and it almost seems as if they're doing it in such a way that the gravity of the earth and the wind are not affecting it. So we'll go ahead and let you watch that video now.
What on earth is that? What is that? If it's a plane, you would hear it right now, right? It's just like a square pixel in the sky. What on earth? Look at that. Tell me that, yeah, is that a plane? You've got to be kidding me. What the heck is that? What? Where'd you go? What on earth? It's just too square to be a plane. I don't understand what it is. Whoa. Okay, well.
So as you just saw, we have this white saucer-shaped craft that was sitting still in the sky, began moving slowly according to the source, and as you saw in the video, making very strange movements, at which point it reverses and goes the opposite way. And the source stated that he was moving out of his apartment in the Fig Garden area of Fresno and had just parked at his old place, and he said right when he parked he noticed a twinkle in the sky from his peripherals, and he said as soon as he looked at it he thought it was a star shining, but then it began moving southwards, and that's when he started recording with his phone. And he said that from his naked eye it definitely was not a drone. It did not move or act like a drone. It had no lights on it, it had no wings on it, it made no sound, and it was almost as if you were looking at a disc from the side. And that's what I believe too here in this video. And he said it was very strange, and it finally disappeared into the clouds. So he was adamant that it was not a drone, and From the footage, I've never seen a drone act like this. This object is moving much more mysteriously, as if it's doing possibly reconnaissance or something like that. And so lastly, we have one more piece of footage, speaking of these odd objects in the skies, of what the source described as what acted or looked like a worm, or something like that he recorded while he was delivering mail in Medford, Oregon. So he was delivering mail, he saw this weird object, which if you look at it, at first seems like possibly a floating cloud. But you'll notice, and we've seen these UFOs before that actually mimic clouds, but they never disperse. They move and sort of tag along with real clouds, but they're actually solid objects that basically trick people below who aren't paying attention. They will move with the clouds, they will act sort of like a rolling cloud, but they will never disperse. They will keep the same shape and basically do what this UFO is doing in this video here. So, there's a lot of mysterious things happening in our skies right now. Big thanks to all three sources for sending them in. We have got a whole list of videos that we're going to be publishing. We'll have another one up in just a little bit. A lot of interesting and mysterious things happening around the world. So definitely be sure to stick around right here with Secure Team. We always post updates on Twitter and Facebook about when we're working on a video and when it's going to be up. So follow us there, email us with your own footage. If you have it, we'll get it out there, and be sure to stick around because we've got a lot more coming. Stay safe, guys.